we have got a ton of exciting things to show you today. On the floor, it used to be about 4 feet to the south. It's now in place, getting ready to go up today actually, is this massive steel beam. I'm told it weighs approximately 2 tons. It is an absolute monster of a beam, one of the biggest we've ever installed in any of our projects. So that's pretty cool. Let's have a look at some of the other work that the pros from Protec Welding have been helping us out with, and also see what some of the Sprucehill team have been up to as well. So on the east side of the house here, we've got a new steel moment frame put in. A moment frame is a steel structure that is basically an upside down U, and that goes up and down this door opening here. This will be a 4-panel like bifold style door, and those will be getting installed in the next month or so. So definitely stay tuned to see updates for that. Behind this wall here, which is actually just temporary shoring, is another steel beam that's been installed. Don't think that one's a moment frame, but that one's going in. Right now, the guys are getting this steel beam installed here. So if you'll remember, there used to be a structural wall here between what was the, I think this was like a kind of family room sort of area originally. This will be the future kitchen. And then over here was the living room, if you'll remember from the original walkthrough. So in order to get that wall gone, that beautiful steel beam there needed to get installed. So the guys are just welding plates onto here and getting ready to extend the post. So that's exciting. Yay, Protec. These guys are pros. If you need steel done on your projects, talk to the pros at Protec.
Yeah.
So down here, we've got this new steel post in place. We've got Gareth and Liam working on some structural work there. And this additional steel beam, well, this one's brand new, and this one is brand new. So the team is just getting joist hangers put on the end of those joists. Okay, so here we are downstairs. I already showed you some of the beams that have been installed basically behind where the camera is right now. Right now, it's just a field of framing. I don't even know if the camera's able to follow me. We've got all sorts of temporary walls everywhere down here. And so by the next time we do an update, we will have all of these walls down, and you'll really start to get a sense for what these spaces are gonna really look like. It's a ton of work to make all of these modifications, but if you engage the right people, come up with a plan, and execute, you can do whatever you want. If you'd like to learn more about what we can do for you, pick up the phone, send us an email. We'd love to speak with you. And finally, on the outside of the house, the team has been hard at work removing siding on the upper floor. We needed to do this pretty much no matter what, because A, we're moving windows a little bit and we're increasing window size. B, we're putting a new roof on this project. In order to do a proper job of making sure that we eliminate any chances of water ingress getting into the house, we need to have the roof sublayer get underneath the building wrap for the house, right? So you're gonna have your building wrap come down, you're gonna have your roofing membrane come in behind that and get that positive lap so that the water is always shedding away and out of the house. So we've had to remove all the siding on the upper floor. Not a big deal, there's not a lot of it, but it needed to get done in order to make sure that this home has awesome water protection for the rest of the time. That's about it for today. Thanks for watching.